This is LRC23. This is our heavy filler. It's designed for filling in bigger abrasions, cracks and holes in leather. It is a heavy filler purely and simply because it's quite thick. Comes in various colours. Standard colour is white, but you can get this in a multitude of different colours. The purpose of the colours is it's going to have to help blend in repairs that you're doing. So if you've got an item that's on white leather, you'd want to use the white. You wouldn't want to put a black filler in there because obviously it's going to take you a lot longer to colour that over. So if you have a black leather, you can then obviously use a black filler. Obviously, as in this case, ivory, you can use an ivory filler. So it is a very, very simple process. You've got to make sure your areas are fully prepped beforehand, and then you're going to use a spatula to get someone to a spatula and spatula that into your repairs that you're going to carry out. Make sure your leather is always prepped before applying this. Don't apply it thickly, apply in thin layers, drying between each layer. That is key to drying and applying the LRC23 heavy filler, which comes in a variety of colours. The filler must be coloured over after it's being used. You can't just apply this to cracking and expect it to be resolving your problem. It has to be coloured over, or else it's just going to come out again, because it needs sealing in with the leather repair company leather colour. So it must be sealed in with that. Prep your area first of all, and then seal in with the leather colour. That's LRC23 heavy filler. Hop on over to the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.